There is nowhere else to go this evening except to that swirling saga surrounding the resignation of Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. We understand that all of a sudden Tapper's contract get top up and is now on the table waiting on Whitmore's response. And we did hear the JFF president today saying that Whitmore was being paid the ongoing rent for Caribbean football coaches. What disingenuous nonsense! Conveniently, we dropped down at Caribbean level now. Why when Schaefer and Bora and Simoes etc. come here, we never give them $3,000 a month and tell them, say here in Jamaica, we pay coaches at the Caribbean rate. Make them laugh after we and run away. But you know, let us say Tapper accepts the top up and withdraws the resignation. Would all be well that ends well? Me not think so. Not after all the issues exposed by this resignation letter. It made the JFF leadership look embarrassingly incompetent. The president and the coach obviously not on the best of terms. Recommendations made by the coach ignored by the federation. Friendly games organized and the coach don't know nothing about them. And all of this is different from the money negotiations and all kind of pettiness we understand affected this process behind the scenes. Even if Tapper signs a new contract and the JFF accepts him back into the fold, you think they would all live happily ever after? And then the coach with the plan, who had to sing the Sankey song, would now work hand in hand with the president without the plan. The guardian one.